Hi, how's everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos with a small screen without paying for a YouTube Premium subscription or downloading any strange and illegal applications. In some countries, this is already possible natively. For example, in the United States, if we play a video and minimize YouTube, it will appear in a small screen, allowing us to use other types of applications or social networks. However, to do this, we need to use a VPN and configure it, but in this case, I'll show you a much easier, legal and safe method. First, we need to go to the Google Play Store and search for a popular web browser called Brave, which allows us to navigate any website and block all types of ads. If we enter youtube.com, it will take us to the main page of YouTube as if we were browsing from the official application. To watch a video with a small screen or a floating window, we just need to enter any video, play it and minimize the application. The video will play in the background, but there won't be any floating window. To do this, we'll open another application or the browser again, play the video in full screen and minimize it. The browser won't allow us to continue watching the YouTube video with the floating window, so we can use other types of applications or social networks. Another feature of this browser is that it has all the functions of Chrome and also allows us to play YouTube videos with the screen turned off. To do this, we need to access a small setting from the three dots, go to the Settings tab, slide the screen to where it says Playback in the background, activate it and restart the browser. Once restarted, we can play all of YouTube with the screen turned off or with the floating window, without needing to activate the background function. So, that's how we can use YouTube and watch all videos with the floating window or picture-in-picture function. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next one.